Hi dear friends, welcome to this video. The colors we'll need to draw this simple and beautiful illustration are ready now. Yellow, blue, black, violet. Great! Glowing star. Now that we have our colors ready, let's start painting together.
3, 2, 1!
Wow!